Okay, here we have a 1920, circa 1920, Karl Griesbaum singing bird automaton. Here's a little lever. Bird pops up, sings. Movement is quite good. Sometimes when you close it, you actually have to coax the lid to go back down. I just closed it by doing the lever. We'll try it again. Hard for me to do this with just the video. As I said, sometimes it seems like you have to tap the back lid to get it to close properly. Anyway, it's tarnished. It works well. I did have a clockmaker clean it and the mechanism, lubricate it, check out the bellows. Everything was worked over. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but it works fine. And there you have it, Karl Griesbaum singing bird automaton. The key is clearly not original, but it works.